Welcome back, everybody. Question 24 is about albedo, emissivity, intensity received, and the temperature of the surface. So it is about the equilibrium. So you will know the Earth is here, incident energy, and part of it is being reflected, and part of it is being absorbed, and the ratio, refracted ratio is albedo. So the intensity of light absorbed by the Earth is 1 minus albedo, IS. And then in equilibrium, the intensity of light absorbed is equal to the intensity of light emitted by sigma T4 and the emissivity. So it equals the emissivity sigma T to the power 4. So it is the equilibrium condition. All these things are constant. No need to take care of this. So you look at it. So what is the surface temperature depends on IS. So make T4 as the subject. It is proportional to IS. Okay. So T proportional to IS to the power of 1/4. So what is the graph? Okay, index. Okay, this index is less than 1. So you remember the curve. Okay, the rules, x and y rules. Okay, depends on the index. So if the index is 1, it's a straight line. If the index is larger than 1, then it curves up. If the index is smaller than 1, it curves down. So now the index is 1/4, so it's curved down. So the temperature dependence on IS should be a curved down curve, okay? So the answer is C. Thank you.